What's up everyone, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to set a custom wallpaper on your Xiaomi Watch 6. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So I have in here my Xiaomi Watch 6 that is connected to my phone. The first thing to do is open your phone and go to MI Fitness app. Now in here, you have to click device. Make sure that the watch and the app are connected, just like this. Next, under watch faces, click all. Then you will get to this page. Then click all again, right here. Now in here, choose custom. Now you have three options of clock style to choose from. Let's say I'll choose this one. Then click apply. Now notice that the watch face on your watch also changes. After that, back in the app, then click this edit button. The next step will be click add photo. Then click the plus button. Then select gallery. Then select up to 8 photos maximum. That will be added as your wallpaper on your watch. Now after that, click done. Then click this back button. Now in here, you can also customize the clock style that you like, the position of the clock, and the clock color. Now when you're done, hit apply. So that's it. Now on your watch 6, you can tap the screen and basically that will switch between those wallpapers that you've set. You can also edit the style of the clock, including the colors, right inside your Xiaomi Watch 6. So that's how you set a custom wallpaper on your Xiaomi Watch 6. So for more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click on other videos to keep on watching.